In yet another incident of drug seizure, a team of Karbi AnglongPolice in collaboration with CRPF jointly intercepted a bus in suspicion of drug smugglers boarding the bus. Here is a report. On acting upon the specific intel input from its sources, Karbi AnglongPolice and CRPF jointly conducted a search operation on Wednesday around 9 a.m. On suspicion, a bus bearing registration number AS21C9306 was intercepted. On acting upon the specific intel input from its sources, Karbi AnglongPolice and CRPF jointly conducted a search operation on Wednesday around 9 a.m. On suspicion, a bus bearing registration number AS21C9306 was intercepted. The team rigorously searched the bus and recovered 10 soap boxes of drug comprising 129.34 grams of suspected heroin from the possession of a lady named Sarda Rao, age 26, resident of Officers Colony, Lamding, Hojai. In connection to this case and the information provided by Sarda Rao, 3 individuals were arrested in a raid conducted in Dimapur at Hotel New Kent, room number 312 and 311, led by John Das, APS, SDPO Bokajan, with his team with the help of East Police Station, Dimapur, and recovered 2 packets weighing 28.14 grams of suspected heroin from their possession. The convicted individuals were identified as Dulan Muzamdar, age 26, South Hill Colony, Lamding, Hojai; Srimati M. Hashi, age 44, Senapati, Manipur; Srimati T. Rabina Lana, age 37, Senapati, Manipur. Thus, the total drugs recovered in this operation was 157.48 grams, and a vehicle bearing registration number AS06D6199 owned by Dulan Muzamdar was also seized by the police department.
গোপনীয় সংবাদৰ ভিত্তি কৰি কথিত নাগা তালাচী চলাওঁ আৰু নাগা তালাচী এগৰাকী মহিলা আমি কৰায়ত্ব কৰোঁ। তেওঁ সাৰদা ৰাও, তেওঁৰ পৰা আমি 10টা চাবোনৰ পেকেট উদ্ধাৰ কৰোঁ। টোটেল ৱেইট হৈছে 129.34 গ্ৰাম। তেওঁ ইনভেষ্টিগেশ্যন কৰাৰ পিছত গম পালোঁ তেওঁ যিটো প্ৰাইম একিউজ আছিলে তেওঁ ডিমাপুৰত বাহাৰ পাতি আছিলে, আৰু সেইমতে আমি ডিমাপুৰ পুলিচৰ সহযোগত এজিপিঅ'ছৰ নেতৃত্বত গৈ পেলাই ডিমাপুৰৰ কেম্প হোটেলৰ পৰা 3জন ব্যক্তি আমি কৰায়ত্ব কৰোঁ। তাৰে 2গৰাকী মহিলা, এজন দুৰাম মজুমদাৰ, এগৰাকীৰ নাম শ্ৰীমতী এম হাসি আৰু এগৰাকীৰ নাম শ্ৰীমতী টি ৰবিনা লানা।
Anante Rang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.